In this problem, I receive a string of characters that contains letters from the English alphabet and the character star. When traversing the array, I need to remove the last non-star character that occurs when I encounter a star character, so a stack is suitable for this problem. If the current character is a star, I remove the last element before it. There is a guarantee that I can always perform the eliminations because there is always at least one regular character to the left of every star character. After I remove all the star characters and their neighboring characters, I will end up with a single string. This means that no matter how I remove the star characters, I will always get the same result, ensuring the uniqueness of the algorithm. Let's consider an example to better understand this problem. Assume that S equals leet star star cod star E. The first character, L, is not a star, so it is added to the stack, resulting in a stack containing the string L. Next, the character E is also not a star, so it is added to the stack, resulting in string L and string E in the stack. Another E follows and is added to the stack, making the stack LEE. The character T is not a star either, so it is added to the stack, resulting in LEET. When I encounter the first star, I remove the last character from the stack, leaving the stack with LEE. Another star appears, and I remove the last character again, resulting in only L and E in the stack. Next, the character C is not a star, so it is added to the stack, making it LEC. The character O is added next, resulting in LECO. Then D is added, making the stack LECOD. When another star is encountered, I remove the last character from the stack, leaving LECO in the stack. Finally, the character E is added, resulting in the final stack LECOE. To solve this problem, I will use a stack structure. A stack follows the LIFO principle, last in, first out, meaning the last element added to the stack will be the first to be removed. This is useful for handling the removal of characters when encountering a star character. First, I prepare an empty stack to receive characters from the string S. This stack will help in managing the characters efficiently as I traverse the string. As I traverse each character in the string, I use a loop to check if the character is a star. When I encounter a star, I remove the last character from the stack, but only if the stack is not empty. If the character is not a star, I simply add it to the stack. This ensures that every star encountered correctly removes the preceding character, maintaining the integrity of the sequence. Once I have processed all the characters in the string, I initialize an empty string called result. I then iterate through the stack, adding each top element to the result string until the stack is empty. This step collects all the remaining characters in the correct order. Since elements are added to the result string in reverse order during the previous step, the final task is to reverse the result string to get the correct sequence of characters. This inversion ensures that the final string represents the correct sequence after all star operations have been applied. In conclusion, I utilized a stack to manage the removal of characters efficiently, which ensures the correct order of the remaining characters. This approach simplifies the logic and meets the problem requirements. Now, let's test this code to ensure it works as expected before submitting it. Remember to explore different ideas and implementations because you might encounter a new algorithm that could be better than this one.